I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to cut an onion. This is how I learned how to do it in cooking school. I won't say how long ago. So you wanna have that claw hand. We're keeping it steady until we have a flat surface. Cut off the top. Now we have a flat surface, so it won't roll around. Now we're gonna cut it in half through the root, but we're leaving the root attached to both sides. Now it's gonna be so much easier to peel this because we're only peeling half the onion. Keep your fingers loosely on top. Then we're gonna make horizontal cuts almost all the way back to the root, but not through the root entirely because we want it to stay together. Then we'll make vertical slices. Do not ever do something like that. That's a great way to cut off the pad of your finger. Now, there's that. Now you can go back over this if you want it to be in a finer dice. Just go back and forth and you're in good shape. If you practice that, you will get it down. It will be so fast to prep an onion that you'll never ever look at a recipe again and be like, I don't want to chop that onion, because you can do it and I just taught you how.